Hi, my name is Pradip Lulla. I am the President of Travel Agents Federation of India, which is a national body of travel agents. And currently we are having a AGM in this place. So the AGM is tomorrow, and so we just came here to have a view. My impression of this place is phenomenal. I had heard of this Statue of Unity, but when we actually physically saw it, the architecture, the approach, and then we went on the 45th floor, which is the third button, and we had a whole view of the Narmada Valley, looking at all these things, and the way it has been done is very impressive, and I'm happy that we are having an AGM here, and it also has given an opportunity to about 90 of our members who have come here from all over India to view this place, and we will be definitely ambassadors of this place, and tell more people to come and visit it, because it's like a lifetime experience. So with this, I thank all the management over here and the Gujarat Tourism for giving us this opportunity to come here and view this statue. And now we'll be also looking at the laser show. So that experience I will also like to enjoy.